Already, my Guru always tells me, entire human being is classified into three types. You know, all of you, the first classification is yogi. What is the meaning of yogi? Yogi means the person who will fix a target and who will work for target always. Finally, he will reach the target. He is called yogi. The second type of student or the second type of human being is rogi. Rogi means he will fix the target in his mind. He will never work for target. He will never work for target. Always he says, आज एग्जाम में मार्क्स कहीं को कम आया, मम्मी हेडेक आया. आज एग्जाम में मार्क्स कम कहीं को कम आया, मम्मी मेरे को स्टमक पेन आया. ऐसा बोलते फाइनली he will never reach the target. That is rogi. The third classification of no, bogi. He will not fix the target. He will not work for the target. You fix today which category you belong to. Are you belonging to yogi? Are you belonging to rogi? Or are you belonging to bogi? You have to tell me loudly. We belongs to yogi. Yes. Now onward, we must think positively. We will work for. Once again, I am telling you, negative attitude कैसा खराब करते हम लोगों को. I will tell small example. मेरा गुरु always tells. There are two cricket players, Vinod Kambli and Sachin Tendulkar. You know, both studied in Mumbai, in one school, Andheri. For both of them, who is the batting coach means Ramakant Achrekar. You ask Ramakant Achrekar, among these two, who is the best batsman? He always says Vinod Kambli. But Vinod Kambli thrown away from international cricket in his 24th age because of his negative attitude, even though he had talent. Whereas Sachin Tendulkar played up to 40th year because of his positive attitude, even though he had less talent. So as long as your attitude is positive now, you will get success in your life. So you think positively. So you don't worry. Chaitanya Group will give success to you people. I am promising you will come out from the Chaitanya Group as a ranker. This is for sure. As long as your thought process is positive. Thank you, Nana. If you want to continue, means I will continue forever. But time is not there. Thank you very much. One thing you remember. One day, I went to my Guru's office. I saw a quote on the wall. A wonderful quote. Everybody must remember this quote. Today is the first day for rest of my life. जो बच्चा ऐसा ट्रीट करके काम करते ना, he will get success in his life. When you are moving on the road, you can find there is no U-turn. We cannot take U-turn there, but life में U-turn कभी भी दे सकते. आज से हम U-turn लेके नया लाइफ लीडिंग करना श्री चैतन्य से हार्ड वर्किंग स्टूडेंट, एम्ड स्टूडेंट, टारगेटेड स्टूडेंट का जैसा काम करना. एक बार मैं बोल रहा हूँ, लास्ट एंड फाइनल सेंटेंस. आई आस्क्ड माय गुरु, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लाइफ? What is the meaning of life? I asked my Guru. He told me one sentence, beautiful sentence. All of you listen carefully this one. Life is a line segment between two alphabets, B and D. Life is a line segment between two alphabets, B and D. B for birth, D for death. The middle letter is ours. That is C. C for choice. That choice is Chaitanya. All of you remember. C for choice. You have only one letter. That is C. That C is Sri Chaitanya. So you remember. So you believe Sri Chaitanya. 100% confidently काम करना. One thing you remember. हम लोग का पूरा बस में है. किसी को बिलीव करके हम लोग का ट्रैवल करते हैं. किसी को बिलीव करते हम लोग ट्रैवल करते. ड्राइवर, अगर ड्राइवर अच्छा नहीं है तो क्या करते? बस. So you need to believe Chaitanya. Chaitanya will give guidance to you. Chaitanya will give life to you. Don't worry, I'm here. We are here. Our team is here. The best teachers are here. Best platform is here. We will go with success from Chaitanya. Thank you all of you. Thank you everyone for giving me small opportunity. Thank you.